Hello children, Deepali Miss is here. Today I am here with a new topic, subtracting 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Objectives: to learn 3-digit subtraction without regrouping, to use Dines blocks to subtract 3-digit numbers, to find out the difference between two 3-digit numbers. We will see how to subtract 2-digit numbers. First, arrange the numbers in column so it will be easy for you to subtract them. Now here two numbers are here, 48 and 14. We have to subtract this 14 from this 48. Then start subtracting from the ones place followed by the tens. Now children, you know this is ones place and this is tens place. So always start subtracting the numbers from ones place. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Let's see one more example. Here we have to subtract 16 from this 39. So again, already we have arranged the number in column. So now we will start the subtraction from ones place. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So the difference between these two numbers is 23. Now we will see how to subtract 3-digit numbers without regrouping. So here we have to subtract this 146 from 268. Let's expand the numbers to show the value of each digit. Now 268 means 2 blocks of hundreds and 6 blocks of tens and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 268 is 2 hundreds, 6 tens and 8 ones. Now 146 means 1 block of 100, 4 blocks of tens and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 146 is 100, 4 tens and 6 ones. So now we know always we have to start subtraction from ones place. So at the ones place, here 6 ones and 8 ones are there. So we have to subtract these 6 ones from these 8 ones. So see, from these 8 ones, if we subtract these 6 ones, then how many ones are left here? 1 and 2. So here 2 ones left. Okay. Now we will start subtraction of tens column. We have to subtract 4 tens from this 6 tens. See here, if we subtract these 4 tens from these 6 tens, then how many tens are left here? 1, 2. Then we have to subtract the hundreds. So from this 200, if we subtract this 100, then how many hundreds are left here? 1. So the difference of these two numbers is 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So children, how did we subtract these two numbers? We took away the smaller number from the bigger number. What we did? We took away the smaller number from the bigger number. Now children, open page number 86. see here, subtracting 3-digit numbers without regrouping. We have to subtract 148 from 269. So first let's represent the bigger number 269 with the help of Dines blocks. 269 means 2 hundreds, 6 tens and 9 ones. So here 2 hundreds, 6 tens and 9 ones. Then we have to take away this 148. 148 means 1 hundreds, 4 tens and 8 ones from it. So here the steps are given. First, subtract the ones. Now this is ones column. We have to subtract the ones. So here if we subtract 8 ones from these 9 ones, see here we have subtracted 8 ones from these 9 ones. So we are left with 1 1. We have left with 1 ones. Then subtract tens. Here we have to subtract 2 tens from these 6 tens. So from these 6 tens, if we subtract these 4 tens, so here we are left with 2 tens. Then next, now subtract the hundreds. So if we subtract 100 from these 200s, then we are left with 100s. So here is 100. So the difference between 269 and 148 is 121. Now children, see page number 87. Question is, represent the bigger number with Dines blocks in the given space and then subtract the smaller number from it. So here the first number is 377 and the next is 114. We have to subtract 114 from this 377. So here in the question it is given, we have to represent the bigger number. So 377 is the bigger number. We have to represent this bigger number with the Dines blocks. So here now you know how to draw Dines blocks like this. So here first draw 3 blocks of 100, then 7 blocks of tens and 7 ones, and then by following the steps given on page number 86, you have to subtract the number. So you can represent the number in columns, as here you can write this 377 minus 114. So this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So always start subtracting the numbers from ones place. So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Children, you have to draw here Dines blocks. Now you know how to draw the Dines blocks. So in this way solve question number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in your maths textbook. Children, always remember, while subtract the greater number, we have to write the greater number before the smaller number, or we have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So here subtract 125 from 657. So the bigger number is 657. So it is on the top, and then below that it is written here 125. Then follow all the steps. Start subtraction from ones column, then tens and then 100, and then you will get the answer. Now we will see the next question. Here, see, here is one shop and the name is here sweet. So it is a sweet shop. Mathura is a place famous for its mouth-watering sweets. Sarthak, at his local sweet shop, prepares different varieties of sweets. Many people buy sweets from his shop. He orders many boxes every alternate month for packing the sweets, but some boxes are not used. Help him calculate the number of unused boxes. So, by using this, here is the shop. As month wise, how many boxes are unused, that we have to find out. So first see what is given. Here is given total number of boxes. Then next is number of used boxes, and we have to find out, or it is not given, number of unused boxes. This we have to find out. So we will solve this one. This is March month. In the March month, the shopkeeper bought 682 boxes and he used 570 boxes. We have to find out how many boxes are unused. So start subtracting from ones place. 2 minus 0 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So how many boxes are unused? 112 boxes. So in this way, solve the remaining 4 questions as homework.